Debugging it is a huge nightmare. So that's one of the things that's a little harder on there. He tends to make assumptions that, oh yeah, I mentioned a little bit about this injection at one point, and therefore every other spot in the document you're going to understand it. And the problem is this document is pretty darn long. And so what you tend to do is you come to this page and you jump to a section and read about something and jump to another section. So you may skip some of the previous stuff he assumes. It's a good read top to bottom, but trying to remember everything that happened top to bottom. But I would recommend, if you're interested, go through the little 5-minute tutorial. It walks you through, I think he uses Martin Fowler's. Like here's one of the examples they use here. It's kind of similar to what I just walked you through. He has some extra stuff, like he says has the word many here and here. One thing I did in a DSL at work is I had a keyword called ref, and that gives you the capability of knowing, do I own a piece of data or am I referencing a piece of data? If you don't say ref, then when I store it in the database and you delete it, I'll do a cascading delete because I own the data. If you do have ref, it won't do the cascade delete. So you can make little differences like that. And you know, it's again, the language is whatever you want it to be. So you can define where you want to go with it. But those are two really good references. This guy is it's more general. This one is just the Xtext site for this. Now there's also, if you look for extend, that's XTEND. If I can spell today, and again type Eclipse, otherwise you're going to get some health products or something. And this has the documentation for the types of things you can do in extend. And they have a whole bunch of things. They have lambdas, they have the template expressions, they have a really nice annotation processor they call active annotations.